of you personally, is creating very nice setup after double doji and some interesting bullish candle. I think Aussie dollar is getting ready for a possible rally, and while it will remain here above the 0.7750, I think that we should get the 0.7880 as the next target. Then with very big chances we should cross the 0.79 to the upside. Personally, I wouldn't be surprised if we will go for a duplication to 0.7940, this duplication of course, okay, and right after that, with big chances, we will start to see more to the downside, but I yet remain bullish for this pair, and I think it has more to offer, and basically I believe it's relevant for all the pairs, also for the Aussie yen, which we can see that after this double move to the downside starts to create some kind of rallies here, and the way I see that, Aussie yen also has more to suggest, but it has, in order to do so, it has to cross above well, this resistance right here, and if it managed to do so and hold above, then I can say we are going to 94.80 or something like that, duplicating these waves. Okay, and of course all that will be relevant while we will hold and run above this trend line. So basically break above this resistance right here, 93.50 approximately, and hold above it should bring us for 94.80, maybe even a bit more. How about the dollar yen? Well, I was in a